We make a whole range of profiles. We can manufacture any colour, any length. Our typical width restrictions are about 300 mil, but in real terms we can turn it into anything. And we actually say that the only thing that limits the product that we extrude in terms of shape is imagination. Far and away the largest part of the products that we manufacture are 100% recycled. The material that we buy in may well have been CD cases, coat hangers, expanded polystyrene, which is the packaging from TV, fridges and the like, even things as obscure as crushed fish boxes. We take it all in, grind it all up, melt it down, put the additives in, which may be impact modifier, UV stabiliser and of course the colour, mahogany, walnut, teak, whatever colour it's going to be, or standard RAL colours, white, blue, green, red, whatever. And then it comes off our compound lines and it's ready to go on to the profile reviews. In real terms we can produce it to any length and any colour that anybody wants.
This is our profile, this is a piece of decking that we're making, leaving the actual extruder through the mould. This is the decking leaving the machine before it's cut to the customer's length required.
This is your typical fencing that you usually got on housing estates. It's timber posts, full timber construction and tends to rot pretty quickly. This is probably about 10 years old at the most. It's been restained 3 or 4 times and before you know it a new fence is needed. What tends to happen is the nails go rusty, the nails break, the posts break off, then you've got the rot that comes in and you can see this post is completely shot at and once the post has gone the fence collapses and you've got no fencing left. That's a piece of plastic. The plastic and the timber exactly the same sizing. If anything, the plastic is rather more rigid than the timber. That's a very solid product. Also looking at the end, you've got a very sort of solid grain to the plastic, which works particularly well when you're screwing and drilling straight through. So what you end up with is a plastic fence. Quite simple.
We manufacture a wide range of products that go into a wide range of different sectors. Typically our fencing products, they would also go into the outdoor sector for gates and sheds and things like that, but fencing is a big business to us. We also supply the construction industry. In that sector we would do sills, jambs, architraves, skirting, things of that nature. We also do a lot in the leisure sector. Along with that would be a range of products for handrail, balustrade and the like. Cladding is also a very good sector for us. That would be in the mobile home, leisure home, holiday home type environment or in general construction. Another sector that we are in is shop fitting and we supply people like M&S and Tesco. If you go into one of their large stores and walk around the fine wines and spirits, you will see some of this around the outside of the shelving. Everything that we generate in terms of waste from the production of the profiles is kept separated in terms of colour, it's then granulated and then it all goes back into the mix. So even the stuff we buy in goes off to others for reprocessing if we can't reprocess it.